Here we have an assorted cube. We are going to fix one color for the kids now. Okay, which color do you want to fix?
White.
Okay, we'll start with white. So where is the white middle cube? It's here. So we'll start with this block. So already we have two whites here. I'll rotate this side to check. We have got one more white. Do we have any more whites here? No, this is better. This one. Okay. So we have one white here, which we can bring in this place. How to bring this white in this place? You secure this white the other side, rotate this down, push it back and move up. So we have got three whites here. So we'll check for other available whites. We have one here, pushing it down, rotating it, so it's available here, pushing this down. So now I have two whites here. I'll push this back. In this case, these are empty spots. We can bring these two whites here. How to do it? Secure this white this side, pull it down, get back the whites, push it up. So we have all 7 whites now. We'll look for these two options. So we have a white here. In this case, we can bring this white up in this position. We secure the white this side, rotate this down, bring back the white, push it up. So we have got 8 whites. We want one more white. Look for it, it's here. So you can bring this white here. How to do that? Secure this white outside, push down only this one row, push back the whites, get it up. So we have got all whites in this side, but these 3 colors has to be same. It has to match with this cube, this block. These 3 has to be same, has to match with this block. So we'll see how to do that in the next video. Bye bye.